in that 6.5 foot bed now. Okay, what is going on, ladies and gentlemen? We're back with another video on the F150. The build continues, although today we're installing something that's a bit more, I would say, necessary than fun and cool. Look at him. He's yelling at me because I'm late. I'm outside of his job here, and he's not even here waiting for me. I'm calling him, and there he is.
Hello, you've reached Brian.
Brian, you were saying I'm late. You're not even answering your phone.
I did it.
I've been waiting out here for like an hour.
I just called you. You didn't answer either. So.
Do you want me to pull in or what?
I'll pull it.
I'm not allowed to pull it in. Look at him. He's on the phone while he's trying to like fit my truck in his little tiny ass stall here.
I think this strap's quick too. Yeah. Just watch these. I don't want to bump your wheels.
Well, if you bump my wheels, I got to catch it on video at least. Ah! Gotcha. Alright, so we're gonna back in the truck because what we're doing in today's video, like we did on the previous truck, we're installing the most awesome tonneau cover ever, and that's the roll and lock tonneau cover from Lund Industries. Alright, keep coming. Alright, stop.
Collaborate and listen.
What's going on, Brian? It's been a while, dude. We haven't done a mod video in a long time. Brian's got his new shop here. I don't think I've filmed in here yet. Brian's not working at Ford anymore. It's a lot nicer. He likes it a lot better here. So, yeah, today we're gonna install what we did last time. Last time we sucked. We made so many mistakes. Yeah, that didn't work properly. Yeah, something's not right here. So hopefully we can do it correct this time and like read the instructions.
First.
Yeah, we'll read the instructions and then get going. So this is a power tonneau cover. That's why I love this thing, and it locks up and everything and keeps it, you know, everything you have in the bed very secure. I'm excited to get this on there. As per normal, I don't know what I'm doing, so I need Brian to help me out. Yeah, this is the heavy part here. So like we said, we're reading the instructions this time, so it wants us to like pull the wire and connect it to the battery right away. We're just gonna wait with the connection part. Yeah. First, we gotta drill some holes for the drainage, and then we're gonna put the main unit on, which is this thing right here. Oh, that was easy. See, if I was doing everything myself, the whole truck would be broken. Here's the remotes, by the way. So you get two remotes for the tonneau cover. Once it's hooked up to the battery and everything, you just push this middle button right here and it opens. So we got another drainage pipe right there. The kit obviously comes with everything you need. The brackets for the rails, all the screws. You got an emergency opener right there. Okay, so we got the driver's side rail, not screwed in there, but we kind of positioned it where it's supposed to sit. We did it more right this time than we did last time. There we go, like I got love, like I got love. We're freaking pros, Brian.
Seriously.
Yeah.
We want to make sure we have happy face.
Okay, do we have happy face?
Yes. That is on the outside of that.
And on that side too, right?
Yes. Happy face.
Happy face. A little issue is getting a screw into that little hole right there. And we messed up with that last time, but I think we're doing it correct this time. Oh, did I f it up again now? Okay.
It's in there.
Good job, Brian. Good job. All right, so we got these little brackets on here. On my side. Brian's still working on his.
Well, you didn't do that. Oh, you didn't do that one?
No.
You could tell what to do in this right now. saying.
I know, but I gotta hold the camera. Everyone go subscribe to Brian's channel. He's an awesome dude, always helps me out. If you're still watching my videos and you haven't yet subscribed to Brian's channel, I mean, what are you doing? He's in like a bunch of my videos.
What are you guys
I know, what the hell's going on? Alright, so we got both tracks on each side. Now Brian is gonna install the
air system?
but it's not really a hard install. Put the tracks on and that main unit, screw them on there, and then you gotta pull the wiring to the battery, and then it's pretty much done. Last time we were such rookies, so it took us a lot longer, but I think it's going better this time. What do you think, Brian?
Yeah, we got more experience now.
So we pull the wire from all the way underneath the truck and through here, and we just need to get it up underneath here and then connect it to the battery. So we pull the wiring in, or Brian has, I haven't done anything, but zip tied it here, and it's pretty much exact length, which is nice. You don't have a bunch of slack laying around. Brian is putting a little extension on there though. Okay, so it's connected to the battery. Now it's just left to test it out and see if it works. Grab one of the remotes. You ready, B?
I guess.
Here goes nothing. Oh, look at that.
First try.
And there's no like hacking and jumping around like we did on the first time on the old truck. Yeah, that didn't work properly. That's perfect. I love this tonneau cover, man. It's awesome. And then it's gonna stop right here. Sweet. So you just push that button right there.
Oh, look at that, like butter.
And then these other buttons here, there's some kind of light that's supposed to... Oh, there, look at that. You push this left button, there's a light in there. I already have it in the bed of the truck, but still, now we have more. Yeah, that's like proper LED. That's sick. All right, so we got the nice little cosmetic piece on here. And we're gonna close it one more time with the tailgate close as well. Like a glove. I love it. It looks perfect. Awesome. So right now it's dark outside. Tomorrow we're going to continue this video and we'll do some shots. Maybe Brian will be in the bed. You never know. See you tomorrow. Well, good morning, folks. It's the next day and it's extremely cold outside. So we're going to put this tonneau cover to a series of tests. We're going to go meet up with Brian here shortly. But first, I drove it through a touchless car wash last night because it was so salty. And we'll see how it opens and closes with probably frozen water in the tracks. Look at that. Close it. Oh, it works just fine. Doesn't matter how cold it is. It's about 24 degrees outside, by the way. Let's get on the road. Look at that. Brian has made it to my part of the hood.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Welcome.
Thank you.
So yeah, we installed the tonneau cover, as we all know, and now we're going to put it to a test. We're going to drive it through the car wash, and to make sure nothing's leaking,
I can't wait.
Brian's going to jump in. Look at that. We got a nice little bed for him here. He can lay. We got a GoPro over there. You gotta make sure that tonneau cover doesn't leak.
And we got 21 degrees of...
Oh yeah, it's it's 21 degrees outside. Brian's such a good sport.
Yeah. Made a little pillow.
Oh, you're gonna have your head over there. Nice.
Yeah, I figured I can look at the camera and
Oh, okay, cool.
when the water falls on me, you can see me. Back in action.
Are you gonna turn it on? There you go.
Yeah, you told me the wrong side, Mike.
Oh. Look, there's frozen water on here from
Yeah, it's cold.
yesterday.
It's cold, Mike. It's cold.
Okay, sleep tight, Brian.
Yeah. Sorry. You gotta turn the lights on.
Okay, watch out! Watch out!
It's a guilty.
Yeah, I'm gonna turn the light on.
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh, yeah, this is super comfy.
All right, we're gonna call Brian here right away. Keep him on the phone.
Hi, how are you?
It's an echo. That's hilarious.
It's echo. It's a...
How is it back there?
Fine. With a good link, I'm gonna be super upset.
If it starts leaking? So should I stomp on the gas pedal now or what?
Absolutely.
So should I stomp on the gas pedal now or what?
Absolutely.
Was that your head or like a GoPro that fell down?
No, nothing happened.
I heard just like. You know what? It's a good thing that we're close to my house because I forgot my wallet. I swear to God, dude, we gotta go get my wallet.
I don't have my wallet with me either, to be honest with you.
Oh man, it's a good thing we went over. Stupid antenna. All right, sit tight, Brian.
No, you're not gonna let me out?
No.
Dude. I should have packed a lunch.
You should have. I'll take you to lunch after this, I promise.
It's bumpy.
Is it bumpy?
A little bit bumpy.
Okay.
Don't get rear-ended.
No, I'm gonna try my hardest. Not to, that is. You okay, Brian?
You fuck off.
What?
I thought you just tailgate open, not just die.
No, it's locked and secure, Brian. Dude, that's so funny.
Not much shit to hold on to back here.
I know. Oh my God. Okay, we're almost at my house here.
We're eating lunch at Ruth Chris now, just so you know.
Oh, Ruth Chris. Okay, you want a big old steak. You can ride up front here when we go back down, and then you have to jump back in there.
Okay.
Okay. All right. I'll see you soon. All right, Brian, we're back. Found the wallet.
Thank goodness. Like, how you can buy me lunch for any kind of money?
How was the ride, though?
Not as fun as you might think, actually.
All right, but here comes the interesting part. We're going to see if the tonneau cover leaks or not. All right, so interesting twist of events here. The car wash we were initially at, both were broken. So we had to go to this one.
It helped me a little longer. Stay dry a little longer.
Brian's warmed up a little bit. Oh, look at your bed.
Oh, it's
Isn't that nice?
So comfy.
Turn the light on for you there. Here, I'm gonna tuck you in. Here's your blanket. All right, here we go, Brian.
Can't wait.
Huh?
I can't wait.
So right now you're getting pre-soak, Brian.
The soap smells good.
I know, it does smell pretty good. See, I'll take care of you, Brian. Good smelly soap.
There's only a little bit of soap coming in on the tailgate, only on one edge.
Just wait till the sprays come on. That'll be interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Super interesting.
All right, here we go, Brian. You staying dry?
What?
You still dry?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Tonneau cover's doing its job.
What we got next?
It's not saying. I think this is spotless.
Not as accurate as I thought it would be, actually.
Are you warm and cozy or are you cold?
It's not too bad, actually.
Brian, you've been in there for almost 6 minutes.
That's long enough, I would think.
Oh, you want to get out right this second? It'll get pretty wet.
No?
We should open it. Oh, that's mean, though. That's mean. I should open it.
How did you do that?
You want me to close it?
Yeah, try to go.
Okay. I'm gonna open it again. shorts are all wet.
A little moist. A little moist. The arms a little...
Dude, I'm so sorry, man. I did not mean for that. When I opened that, it was not for you to get wet. That was for air to blow on you.
Yeah, definitely.
You're such a good sport.
Really
I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. Next time we do a video where we get wet or something, we do it on your channel and I get wet.
Sounds good.
How about that? I'm gonna buy you lunch. Primanti's, typical Pittsburgh spot. But that was funny. How was it back there, Brian? How was
it wasn't bad till you opened the stupid thing. I mean, it was warm and toasty, dry.
You full, Brian?
I'm stuffed, thanks.
Have you dried up a little bit?
I'm still a little damp.
All right, well, our test here is concluded, and we can conclude that it does not leak in any way unless you open the tonneau cover while water's going. A little water comes in through the tailgate, and I knew that was going to happen because I did it on the old truck, but I'm very happy with it. And we're here with Brian's truck. Maybe Lund Industries and Roland Lock can hook Brian up here. Give him a good deal on a tonneau cover. What do you think, Brian?
I do have a tonneau cover.
Because your truck is extremely nice. Brian got new wheels and tires on his truck. See, they stick out in a fashion that is kind of like acceptable.
Yeah, not super aggressive like yours. And then
how long you had this now? We did the delivery
since
together.
October here in October. Yep.
I love this color. You can't even tell that it's salty.
I know that does help.
The difference from my truck. My truck's been washed twice in the last 24 hours and it still looks salty.
Yeah.
That's nice. So what are these wheels?
Motive off-road Millenniums, 20 by 9.
20 by 9. So you got 35s on there, right?
33, 1250.
33s. Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, your truck's stock ride height, so you only need 33s, really.
I did the AFE intake and throttle body spacer, and I'm waiting to do an exhaust. It should be here any day now. So that's probably
from AFE, right? Yeah. Well, that's cool. So you're getting the new Tundra or what?
As soon as it comes out, I'm going to try and get it.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it's planned.
Cool. That's going to have 2 turbos, I heard.
That's what I hear.
So then you can upgrade the turbos.
Tune it.
And do a bunch of stuff. I have like a 700 horsepower truck.
That would be awesome.
All right, well, since Brian has been such an amazing sport, you have to go subscribe to his channel. You have to.
Do it.
Yeah, he deserves it. Huge thanks, my man. You're always coming through in the clutch, helping me out.
Lunch.
And again, I didn't mean to get you wet. I meant for you to get all blown on by air and stuff, but then
the
water was stuck on top of the tonneau cover and it fell down on poor Brian. So that's going to do it. If anyone's interested in a tonneau cover like that, I'll link it in the description. I'll also link Brian's channel for your subscription. But with that, I think this video is over. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. If you're stopping by for the first time and you haven't already, and you want to, please subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.
How did you do that?
You want me to close it?